Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my February tutorial using Easter Basket. It's one of the newer stamp sets from Stampin' Up in the spring mini catalog. It's just hard to believe that's February. All right, let me switch my camera and we will talk about this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I use the Easter Basket stamp set. One of the things I loved about this was the size of the images. So when I got this set, I don't know, I thought it was going to be smaller. I thought the bunnies were smaller, but they're actually really good size. They're the same size as the picture on the front, but the catalog size is the picture so little. So this is the Easter Basket stamp set, and what I really loved was the dies. So you get dies that coordinate with some of your images, like the bunnies, a chick, some flowers, tulip, a carrot, an egg. And then you also get standalone dies with the basket, the bow, the grass, these stripes, which I'll show you what I did with those, and then the scalloped edge. And then also the daffodil and tulip, which go with the stem. So lots to do with this die set. And you can see them all there. All right, so some of the things that you're going to need for my tutorial this month is I used Crumb Cake and Pretty in Pink ink pads. I also used the Pretty in Pink, the Shy Shamrock, the Lemon Lolly, and the Crumb Cake blends to color with. The highlight of this is the paper. So this is the new paper called Easter Joy, I believe, 12 by 12. As you can see, it has a shimmer to it. It's also a thicker paper. So this would be really good for boxes, but it's a thicker paper, so just so you're aware. It's got a little shimmer to it. It's got these scenes on there. So you can see the different patterns. And then I mostly used the back patterns on my project, you'll see. But you can see the second side of them are just real muted, pretty papers. All right, so that's the paper. You will get some of the embellishments. So these are the embellishments. And as you can see, you get these little pink checkered Easter eggs, some balmy blue, which is the blue color, and then the lemon lolly little circles. And also, this kit comes with the gingham ribbon. Which, who doesn't love gingham? All right, let me show you the projects because they're really cute. This one here is just a really simple card I'll show a little technique. So I am going to be, and I did do the insides of my cards too. I am going to be doing a YouTube video on Thursday of this week, which I'm not sure what date that is. It must be like the 5th. So Thursday night. I'll send an email. So if you're not on my email list, get on there. This card here using the Shy Shamrock, and these are those little strips from that die, this die here. So you cut out those strips and then you weave them into your basket. I'm going to show, on this one, I'm going to show you a little technique of how to get orange out of those colors, and also how to make my little chocolate bunny, which I really like. And then this basket here has some little highlights in it. You can see I used some blends, but also did a little bow with that gingham ribbon around that basket. And again, the inside. One of my favorite projects was this one, and this is a little 3D project that you could put candy in. I was hoping to get to the store to get some of that green grass that never goes away out of your house. You know, it's all over. But anyway, I'll show you how to make this little basket. It's cute. So how my tutorial works is you place an order with me in the month of February. I will send you the PDFs of these projects and how to make them. Starting on Thursday, I'll pop in the video to how I made those too. And then if your order is over $50, I will send you a packet of supplies to complete the projects. You will need the stamp sets and the inks and all that, but you will have the papers and the cardstock bases and everything to complete the projects as I made them. And if your order is over $75, you qualify for the project of the month, which is, we don't know what it is in February yet. We won't find out till Tuesday. But it's a great product every month, and if you order $75, you can get that product for $5. Lastly, I have gathered up with other demonstrators to do a project of the month PDF, and so if your order is over $75, I will automatically send you towards the end of the month, because it takes us a while we don't get to see early what we get for project of the month, so we have to order it, get it, make a project, do a PDF, send it off to our group. And then at the end of the month, I send you another email with a link to that PDF for that month. So that's kind of a good deal. 12 projects. I think 12 projects was last month. I'm assuming it'd be 12 projects each month that you will get for free, PDFs. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can always sign up for my newsletter where I'll keep you informed with tips, tricks, and techniques, and also my schedule and what I have going on. So thanks and have a great February. Talk to you soon. Bye.